So in this video, we are going to talk about the first concept that we need to decide if we want to buy a stock or not. And this is basically, I'm looking at if the stock is performing better than the overall market. In this case, this is the chart of Microsoft. And what you are looking here, or what you are looking at here, is the ratio between the Microsoft stock and the S&P 500. So you are always comparing the stock to the index. You could also compare it to the sector, to a sector ETF. We could do that now to show you what I mean. And this platform, if you're wondering, it's the Reuters Icon platform. It's basically a competitor product to the Reuters, to the Bloomberg terminal, but it's much cheaper. And yes, let's compare it. So we have the Microsoft stock here, and now we can compare it to, let's say, the X sector ETF, which is XLK or XLK. So I just enter it here, click on add, and now we have a new chart. And now I can clearly see that the Microsoft stock is not really performing much better than the sector. It's more or less the same performance since Q4 in 2021. And I'm always looking at stocks that are performing better at the overall, or better than the overall market, and better performing than the index. But in the last month, since Q1, it's performing better than the sector. So this, this is a good signal for me. But of course, it's not the only signal that I'm looking at. It's just one aspect that I check before I buy such stocks. And what we can also do, we can look at another example. Let's do what we can show here. Let's do not AMD. Let's do. I don't find this stock anymore. I don't know why. Let's look at Ford. Okay. And now we can see, okay, that's a very volatile stock price. Not the best example, but we can clearly see Ford is not performing better than the overall market. So this would be a stock that I would never buy, even if the fundamentals were good. When I look at this chart, I immediately know I can't buy this stock because it's not better than the market, and I don't need to compare it to its sector because it doesn't really matter. When it's not better than the market, then I don't buy it. So yeah, this is basically the first thing, or not the first thing, but one of the things I'm looking at before I buy a stock. And when that criteria is not met, I don't buy it. So that's it for this video. And yeah, shortly I will make more videos about the other criterias I use to decide what stocks to buy. And yes, please like and subscribe and write a comment if you have some questions. I will happily make a video about it.